Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. After a short break, I'm here for you to analyze the markets and, of course, the major currency pairs and their significant levels. I really hope you're having a very profitable week because we got very interesting opportunities, and this week definitely is very dynamic due to a lot of fundamental events, important one. So I'm just gonna very quickly cover the fundamental events that we got, and then we're gonna continue with the technical analysis. So on Wednesday we got ADP non-farm payroll change, very green for the US dollar, 12:15 GMT time, followed by the crude oil inventories, very red for the crude oil. After that, of course, Federal Reserve interest rate decision. They kept the same interest rate decision, 2.5%, 6 p.m. GMT time. So very dynamic week. Thursday, we got interest rate decision in UK, 0.75. They kept the same interest rate like before, and today definitely we're expecting very volatile week. Non-farm payroll, our favorite economical event on the market, 12:30 GMT. So as usual, we start with euro US dollar. As you can see, the euro US dollar is trying to push lower. So definitely I'm not very confident in euro US dollar as GBP US dollar. They're kind of related currently because of the Brexit situation. But what we see here, new resistance line 1.11834 here. And I think this is a significant level, so let's see how the price is going to react around this level. I'm not going to trade euro US dollar for sure, so I'm just going to go directly to GBP US. So 1.30446 is our resistance level, with 1.29667 our support level. I'm gonna keep the same levels. In the previous video we was around this level, right below the support, 1.29667. What happened actually? The GBP US went up significantly. I've been expecting to see this resistance level respected, and of course continuation to the downside. Since it broken the support level, it didn't happen, quite obviously. So I'm gonna just watch very closely how the price is gonna react between these two boundaries. So we go to Australia US dollar. What is happening? Quite clear price action, quite obviously. We got breakout of this support level, and of course after that quick recovery, tested, and continuation to the downside. So I'm gonna switch. This is not relevant resistance anymore. It is relevant, but we are far away from it, and I'm just gonna switch my resistance to new support level, 0.6987. As you can see, it's quite close to round number 0.7, so which makes this support even much more stronger, I would say, than a regular support level. And if we see breakout of this support, then we can see definitely very strong continuation to the downside. New Zealand US dollar, quite the same like Australian US dollar, breakout of the support, continuation to the downside. After that, recovery, and of course very well respected the resistance level, and continuation again to the downside. I'm gonna switch my resistance to support level. So as you can see, 0.6579 is our new support level. Right now we are right between these two levels. 0.66 is my resistance level. I'm gonna keep the same, and 0.6579 as my new support. New Zealand US dollar definitely is gonna be interesting to trade. USD Canadian, I'm gonna go directly to crude oil. Sorry, because the crude oil right now is actually dropping down, obviously. Now it's pretty interesting how it's respecting super clearly the resistance and the support levels. Last week we got a breakout of the resistance, went to 66.67 and went back to the support level, the previous support, 63 round number. And what I want to emphasize on is practically this resistance here. Quite clear resistance level, 64.81, tested the resistance, and significant drop went through the support very strongly. So definitely very good shorting opportunity against the trend. But for now, I think we're gonna see even further drop. My next support level, just I'm gonna move this resistance to new support, and 60.41 is our new support level. A lot of room to drop, a lot of room to make money. USD Canadian dollar, of course, in terms of trend, it's following Canadian dollar, is following the crude oil. What's going on? These are our previous support and resistance levels. And what do we see? Canadian dollar is dropping down, practically moving. USD Canadian going up. Broke out this resistance, as broke out here. Didn't manage to reverse on the support level. Rather than that, reversed on the next support level that we had, 1.3374. And definitely I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna move this support to this resistance level, 1.3520. Very important resistance level. If we see breakout of this level, then sky's the limit. 1.3660, the last top. I'm gonna put a resistance line here around this level. So it's pretty interesting how the USD Canadian is gonna perform from now on. Bear in mind that because of the crude oil inventories, we could see even further drop down. So practically upside momentum of the USD Canadian. USD Swiss franc, very clear price action, breakout of the level, slight recovery. After that, continuation to the upside. We're talking about 100 pips movement. After that, drop down, incredibly clear. Test of the support level, 1.01244, and right now is trying to push higher. USD Swiss is one of the most clear charts right now. It's not even necessary to discuss that I'm gonna be bullish on the USD Swiss franc, just because it's pretty obvious. And a little bit more about USD Japanese yen. What do we see? These are our previous levels. We're gonna keep them the same. 112 around this level, significant resistance respected, and right now is going down. 110.829. I'm gonna keep this support, so I'm not gonna make any changes on the USD Japanese yen currency pair. USD Japanese is in my focus definitely. So let's see this support level, 110.83 is very significant, and if we see breakout of this level, it's gonna be very potential for shorting. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's Friday morning. It's just one day to the weekend. Hope you're gonna have a great weekend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment below, thumbs up, of course. Wish you a very profitable day. Today, just to repeat myself, is the non-farm payroll, the fundamental event. Very interesting, very dynamic, so don't miss the opportunities that we have. Speak to you soon on Monday. I will expect my video. Enjoy the weekend.